Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Phantom wallets to DEX Screener on your PC. And if you want to do this, we go right here to DEX Screener and then we go left in the bottom to Anon, and that is standing for anonymous. We want to change this, so we click right here on sign in, and now we can click right here on connect wallet. Then right now we can select right here Phantom wallet, and then they're telling us to finish connecting, you must sign a message in your wallet to verify that you are the owner of this wallet. So then we go to sign message, click right here on confirm, and boom, there we are. Now we connected right here on Phantom wallet, right here in DEX Screener. And now if you go right here to a meme coin and we click here on buy, we can start buying on our account. But right now I have 0 Solana standing on my Phantom wallet. So that is why this button is not green. But this is how you can connect your Phantom wallets to DEX Screener. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.